sa paglambo sa turismo o sa kanda mga itong kapulisan.
The Philippine National Police is always operationally ready to provide support sa tuwang tourism industry. In fact, natay yung mga reorganization karon, no? The units, pwede silang mag-recommend na mag-tourism police. So kung wala yung tourism industry, we will always have the option to activate tourism police diri sa Misamis Occidental to have a more dedicated personnel to address yung needs ng security sa atuang mga tourism industry. So mo to respond na mo. Ang very peaceful ang in fact, when it comes to the peace situation, we are next to Amiguin, no? In terms of the 8 post crimes, kanang murder, homicide, talagsara na. Siguro 1 incident in 1 month. To 1 or 2 incidents in a month. So very peaceful tayo probinsya, no? And when it comes to insurgency, last March 15, ang atuang Chief PNP and Chief of Staff, they already signed a joint resolution na insurgency-free na ang probinsya. So wala na presence of CPP and PA. So very peaceful. It's now considered insurgency-free. It's a matter of declaration na lang. Sa crime incidents, we were able to maintain in a manageable level, no? Tungod sa atuang massive crime prevention activities. So ang category nato karon is insurgency-free, crime-free, and development ready. Development ready na siya. So I think the security sector, ang PNP, the Armed Forces of the Philippines, we've done our part. So, ang laing sector na lang to promote tourism is kinahanglan na lang og laing pang initiative to promote tourism. Wala na may na ma-service in order. So, they're no longer posed as a threat. It's just a matter of for the other agencies, the government and civil